here's my tutorial. What's up guys, it's Zap here.
Crafting.
Today I'll be teaching you how to make a furnace with redstone. It's just automated where you just can pop in your stuff. So the first thing you're going to need are some hoppers. Make sure you have a furnace. Blast furnaces are only for materials such as like iron and stuff. So I mean you could specialize it just for iron ore, but I'd prefer furnace. You're gonna need some regular chests, don't do trap chests, because if you're putting your stuff while it's open, like when you open it up and put your stuff in, it's not gonna let
search items edit box.
So
search items edit box. Search items edit box. CH.
Like
search items edit box. CH. Search items edit box. Search items edit box. Coal. Search items edit box. Coal.
And then it's actually gonna be 2 stories, so make like this would be built in your house, or 3, okay? Yeah, 3. So you just like put down the chest.
Oh my god, this guy is insane.
And then you're gonna want to add furnaces to each side. Make sure they're facing forward. It's gonna mess it up if they're not. And then the hoppers. This is where the fuel will go. This is how it enters in on the side, so you can like fill up these chests with stuff, and then it'll just autofill for the rest. And you will need 2 more hoppers here. Okay. And then just add chests here. Right. Oh, by the way, this chest, for it to connect, if you do this, it's not going to connect, so you need to tap on the actual chest. Okay, so what you do is just
crafting. Search items edit box. Search items edit box. Pot. Search large chest.
Put it in here. It'll distribute it evenly so that it can cook it even faster.
Chest.
Then you put some
chest
fuel in there, and then there you go. And then it'll come out
large
here.
chest.
So you can put like this would be in like a
search items
house.
edit box. Search items edit box. Search items edit box.
This could be all on one level. Of course, you could put more hoppers on here, so the chest is higher up, so it would be on 2 different levels. Or you could completely bury them once you put the fuel in there too. That'd be really easy actually.
Large chest.
There you go. The big potatoes. And you can always expand this even further. If you keep on expanding it, of course you can cook all the stuff faster. So yeah, that's it.